Hi, hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to write about 10 lines on winter season. So let's watch it. So let's begin the video. We all know that winter is one of the four seasons in India and it is the most coldest season that begins from the mid of November and lasts till February. And winter is very cold and chilly season. And during winter season, the December and January months are very coldest months with full of joy and happiness, and also people celebrate some festivals like Christmas and Sankranti in these months. Also, the winter season is mostly loved by the children as it is very convenient for them to play and enjoy themselves. We usually watch that children love to play games in the snow and riding in the snow. Also, people love to do it. Also, people love the early morning dew and fog coming in the winter season. And it is very awesome to look and enjoy ourselves in the climate. And we might also observe that during winter season, the days are shorter and the night gets longer. Because of the climatic changes and the cold condition in the atmosphere, the sun rises late in the morning and sets very fast in the evening, so that it might appear to ourselves that the days are shorter and the night gets longer. And also, we might observe that in many foreign countries, we used to know that due to heavy snowfall in winter season, schools usually announce holidays to children, and many of the shops and offices will get closed. So, children in foreign countries have holidays in winter season as we have like summer holidays in our country. And also, the winter season coming along, it brings a lot of seasonal fruits and vegetables to us. We might eat many fruits like grapes, apples, oranges, guava, kiwi, avocado, etc. And also many vegetables like cauliflower, carrot, etc. And also these fruits are very good for health and people mostly love to eat these fruits and vegetables coming in the winter season. And also these are very good for health, refreshing our mindset, and children also love to eat them. Winter is the perfect time to get cozy and enjoy the beauty of the season. Children indulge in many activities like snowball fighting, building snowmen, playing ice hockey, and more and more. It is a great time for kids to enjoy their vacations and get cozy in the blankets. And this is the very enjoyable time for children to make happier themselves. Playing in the snow, and children also feel much better playing outside with their friends around. As the winter season approaches, most of the people love to do adventures, trekking, and picnic in winter. We might also observe that many people traveling around looking many places and also many tourist places like hilly areas, seashores, etc. As the winter season is very cold and chilly, people wear warm clothes like jackets and sweaters and cover themselves with blankets to avoid the cold at the night. In some places, the temperature may decrease to low, but in some countries, we might observe some temperatures might go down to minus degrees, and those places are very cold and we might get freeze with that. We often watch some places like Antarctica, Iceland, etc., which are very cold that the temperature decreases to minus degrees. Chilly morning gives us different sense altogether, so people mostly prefer hot food items during winter season to keep themselves warm. Hot food items and hot drinks like coffee, tea are enjoyed the most during winter season, and eating food items hot in the winter season keeps us healthy, and also it may hide us from some seasonal diseases too. And also, it is good to be far from ice creams and cold drinks during winter season, which may harm our health. The most common seasonal disease in winter is common cold and flu. You might know that due to the climatic conditions, the virus spreads from one another very quickly, and maintaining distance from one another and keeping our hands while coughing or sneezing are best examples to get rid of common cold. And some researchers get to know that we have some health benefits during winter season. The colder temperature helps us to reduce both allergies and inflammation. The fungus might not be grown in the colder climatic conditions, so that it is useful for us to reduce the impact of allergies in winter season. Going a journey by train in winter season is an awesome experience for everyone. Though this season have many benefits, there is also a downside about this season. People who do not have shelters and also animals are most influenced by this season. Many people lie on the street roads without shelter, and the colder climatic conditions may arise some problems to them. So many people share blankets and sweaters to the people lying on the street roads and helping with some humanity. So these are some points of winter season I shared with you. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.